guys, I really hope you like what you just saw. I have no idea how it turned out. This is the beginning of the process. I'm here at the Sucre Bakery with Kinga, the owner, and she's just shortly going to tell you about what we're preparing today.
So today we will start with presenting puff pastry. It will be like a French dessert. We will make a banana cream. It will have a cocoa crunchy layer on the top, and inside we'll put some chocolate, then the fruits, and we will like figure out what is going to finish.
Exactly. We don't really have a storyboard for now. We'll try to be spontaneous about it. I have a little shot list, which I'll show you right now. So let's see how that goes. So today we're shooting with the Panasonic Lumix GH5 with my favorite lens, the Sigma 18-35 1.8. You can see right now on the screen my video settings, but basically the point is to shoot in a flat profile as possible. So we have all the saturation and everything down to 0 or even minus profile so that we can color correct and grade in post-production. We are filming in 120 frames per second so that we can get that amazing slow motion. So for our intro shot, I was thinking that Kinga could hold this cake and present it while she's spinning into frame. So basically she's gonna pick it up, stay like this, and when I say 3, 2, 1, she's just gonna turn around and put it down on the table, and we're gonna have a nice smoothly transition from up to down, bam. So I need to be here. I'll have to be here. Yes. Try to do the spin. Let's see how the spin looks. Yeah. I forgot to mention that we're filming in manual focus, so these kind of shots are pretty tricky. We need to always communicate with each other on what will always be the distance between me and the subject, right? And yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, pick up, cut. So
I should just take like this, and do like this, or no?
Yeah, something like that, because I will follow. No, actually, this can be on the board already.
So you follow just the knife.
Yes. I'm trying to make a sequence of about 3 or 4 shots. I'm not sure yet, but the point is that we need to continue the transition from the last shot, from up to down, how she picks up the knife, and then go straight into the puff, see how she's cutting it, and by the time she finishes cutting it, finish with a left to right transition. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's grab the knife. Yes, let's go to the pastry, and pretend you're cutting it, don't cut it. Yes. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, grab the knife. Yes, and actually cut the pastry. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's pick up the knife. Yes, and we're moving to the pastry and cut the pastry. Yes, I think that was pretty good. If you haven't noticed by now, and maybe you're not a video and a photo guy, this type of the sequences with speed ramping and slow motion is inspired by Schiffer, one of my favorite YouTubers. So I'm not trying to copycat, although imitation is one of the biggest forms of compliment. I'm just trying to replicate some of the sequences he makes in most of his videos. Should I be here?
I mean, no, I just have like this.
Okay, so I'm not bothering you. Okay, here I will be.
Like this.
Yeah. One second. Yeah.
Okay, so just watch.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll add this banana paste.
Okay, Kinga, in 3, 2, 1, I'll go up. Go 3, 2, 1, yes. Okay, Kinga, in 3, 2, 1, go. And I think this was better. On your hand and go with you like this.
Okay.
So we're going to this one, right? Let me just practice the move. Bam. Bam. Yes. Yes. So far so good. We filled up the cakes and now we're gonna try to decorate them. That's all we need to do, and then prepare the final presentation shot. You know what's the best part? We actually get to taste these. I can't help it. And you will just literally put it in the here I need to stay.
And I will tell you maybe when you can, because I don't think I will put the whole chocolate.
Yeah.
Not sure yet.
I'm sorry, I'm just thinking of the next shot. The next shot is basically you grabbing this. You will grab that.
I need to pour the chocolate. I need to put it aside, then grab the knife, then start so.
Yeah, we take a pause in between.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm ready. You just do your thing.
Okay.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. I'm pouring. Okay, that's enough.
Perfect. I see, yes. Go. Three, 2, 1, go.
Okay, done. 2,
3, yeah. I think that's fine. I really think that's fine.
It's fine?
Yes. Three, 2, 1. This looks amazing. One more thing to do is to have that last slide-in shot in slow motion where we present the final product with Sucre Bakery on top. So for that, I'm just gonna switch places and see how that goes. In 3, 2, 1. I think that's it.
So thanks a lot. It was very exciting. I've never actually had experience like that. I hope that it will be also tasty, the same as it looks like. So maybe we should like just try it.
I think that's the last thing to do, right? Just let's try it.
Yes. I think I like it.
This is amazing, guys. I'll just let you watch the sequence now.
Please come and visit. If you will be ever in Denmark, Horsens, my bakery is open.